And Mr. Mayor, one more question about the Roosevelt Hotel in New York City. As you know, this hotel is owned by the Pakistan National Airlines. So this hotel used to be, or is, I think, is still a shelter center. So what is the status of the Roosevelt Hotel now, and what's next, please?
It is officially being closed. Actually, I'm going to be by there today, but it is officially going to be closed, and it is important for it to close. And it shows our success of managing 230,000 migrants and asylum seekers, and how we handled that crisis like no one expected us to do.
And the lease of the hotel will be ended as the shelter is closed?
It's those conversations are still going on now.
All right.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.